necklace had magical powers.
And step right up, Reagan.
And step right up, Reagan.
And shoes and pants and a shirt and a jacket, and his name is Grandpa. Step right up, Grandpa. And name. You first, Grandpa. Okay, come on.
I come this way?
I got this.
You got it? I'm just going to hang out over here just in case. Okay?
Lanny needs to get on this chair.
Okay. Lanny's on this chair?
Uh-huh.
There's Lanny. Okay.
And I'm going on this chair.
All right.
You're going to stand.
I'm going to stand. Okay. Right. Do you need a little help?
No.
No. All right.
Say a story, Grandpa.
Once upon a time, there was a mommy and a little girl.
Who?
Her name was Reagan. And she came all the way to Texas
And step right up, Reagan.
to give Grandpa a big surprise. So let me introduce Reagan. Step right up, Reagan.
Step right down, Lanny. No, you're not Lanny.
Oh. I thought you said Nanny.
Clap, Lanny. Step right up, Nanny.
Step right up, Nanny.
Do I get up now?
Yeah.
Here.
No.
No?
Grandpa stays.
Stay with Grandpa.
Stay with Grandpa. Okay. I'm with Grandpa.
Okay. You're having fun?
We're telling stories.
Cool.
There was a dragon and a girl named Junie.
Junie, I love that name. No, wait. Reagan.
Reagan.
Well, yeah, we were
There
just
was
telling
a
the story
girl.
about Reagan, yeah.
Yeah, just now we were telling a story about Reagan. I gotta bring this in for Clyde.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Finish packing. So now all your toys are out, only some are out, okay?
Say we got everything we need, Mommy.